Well, it's time now for our daily Need to Know feature, where our team of experts answer your questions about money, finance and the economy. Tonight, Tingo asked how tax on a car allowance works. Marc Sevitz, who's director of TaxTim, answered this question for us.
You get taxed on that allowance that you get given, but it's not as bad as it sounds. So you get taxed fully up front, but if you keep a logbook, and you have to keep a logbook, you're able to claim back all the business expenditure. So you must keep a logbook of all the mileage traveled, your personal and your business travel. So that's from the beginning of the tax year to the end, as well as all expenses. So it depends who pays for the fuel, the maintenance, the licenses, things like that. But what effectively happens is at the end of the year, when you submit the return, you put a formula in, you put all your information in, the formula gets done by SARS, and then you will be able to get some of that back as a deduction, so your tax actually reduces. So most people actually get a refund in that case.
Time now for a look at the markets. The JSE, of course, closed for the Reconciliation Day public holiday, but lots of action on global markets today, where Russian stocks sank the most across the world. Concern is growing that panicked individuals will pull deposits out of Russian banks. Meanwhile, the ruble continues to plunge, driving up costs for importers. In the US, a rally in energy shares sent US stocks higher today. This, of course, as the US Federal Reserve began its two-day policy-setting meeting. The picture was positive in Europe as well today on the rally in energy shares. That helped to put a stop to a six-day slide. Commodities today, gold surrendering earlier gains, sliding back below $1,200 an ounce as the dollar gained some strength. Gold is expected to remain volatile ahead of the Fed announcement due tomorrow night. Oil prices have also had a mild recovery, steadying above $60 a barrel after hitting 2009 levels earlier in the session. On the currency market, the rand weaker against the dollar today, but it was steadier against the other major currencies. And that's it for today's edition of ENCA Moneyline. Do remember, you can send us your comments and questions via email on moneyline@enca.com. Tweet us as well using the handle @ENCA News with the hashtag ENCA Moneyline. Until tomorrow night, good night.